I'm sweating for this thing tonight. It's different. Coach where the body shape. My mom said to 25. Is this 25 or 30 liters of palm oil? Hi guys, I came back from the gym since actually, and then I'm just coming back from giving Yomi injection. I can't believe I'm even lying down on my bed with my gym wear. Immediately I got back from the gym, I just took my baby to give him his last dose of injection. If you're hearing any noise, the fan is on and it is facing me directly. Anyways, we're back and I'm so excited. That is off my head for now and for a long time. He's strong now. He's strong. I didn't even cry today. I was even shocked, as if he was expecting it, or as if he knows it's his last dose. So right now, I think today is Saturday, by the way. I want to make like chicken and chips for us to eat for breakfast this morning. Chicken chips and fried eggs, or chicken chips and stew. Yeah, that's the plan. And I'll just check a few things online and then go and get busy. You guys will see the aftermath. I don't have strength to carry people along, I promise. Bye. Guys, you guys saw the clips that I put in the other scene. Actually, my sister and I went to the park to pick up the items that my mom sent all the way from Uyo. Yeah, she sent like food stuff for us. My sister came to this Abuja. She was complaining about the oil. Apparently, she does not like eating my soup. I say why? She said she does not like the taste of the oil inside the soup. So because of that, she knows they eat soup. So my mom got to know, and she had to send oil and other things, other vital things from Uyo down to Abuja for us. So that's what we went to pick this morning. This item, they sent it like since 1 week ago, Abby. Yeah, they filmed me. They sent it since 1 week ago. Since Thursday. Since on Thursday, and it's just arriving Sunday. Because this, according to them, the car got bad on the road. AKTC do better. AKTC do better. Anyways, let me just open all these things and I'll show you guys. My mama will not kill me. Apparently, Yomi was sick. I think ever since that school, obviously you guys know the story already. So she was like, why don't I just pump his nyash? You understand? You know this normal pumping with hot water or warm water or the pipe there inside. See what my mom sent all the way from Uyo. She sent pump like it's just weird. It's una put nyash pump. Basis of school, baby. Inside this thing. Now, wow. This is the carpet. I said this is carpet. She can put her phone for him. It's gone. Oh, the afang that they sent. Hey, shit. Not even fit select. Oh, Allah. You guys, AKTC, see the afang that they sent. It's down bad. That's the only thing I would appreciate. I put a buck in my cup. I put in my a slice. I for still dry and like that. Yes, I put in my slice for no spoil. For your nyash. The stockfish is very okay. Anytime I carry my stockfish for go Abuja market to go cut, then they say, this stockfish enter different day. It reminds me of everything for Nkakarapata. God. AKTC shot, there's a bit of nonsense. This is the stockfish.
Egusi.
Egusi, oh. My normal mama no go send me egusi shot because she knows I'm really not a fan. But sweetie and egusi soup. Go eat and your head go long. She sends me a lot of egusi. This is a lot of egusi. Oh, God bless my mother, I beg. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Where the egusi finish? Why is Abi vest? Let's try calm down. Anywhere I go, then go say we used to sell it has finished. Me, I don't even say I go use syringe again. Do the thing. I be on back, become a transparent bag.
The pictures of that thing. They have to have
55 liters of palm oil. Hey, this man wants to kill me with things like bend this one, baby. Like, I want to snap it. See what? God bless my mother, please. God bless her. My mom sent me 25. Is this 25 or 30 liters of palm oil? Hey, this one is till next year ending because I'm so excited. Basically, if you cook food in this Abuja and you don't use the right oil, your food no good. It will be nice, but you will know that something is bad inside, which is the oil. And Abuja oil, they used to mix color. I don't know why. It's very hard for you to get a good oil, and it's so sad because it's like they buy from one person. It's one person that comes to the market and like sell to them in the market, so you can never get good oil in Abuja. And that has been my sister's complaint. She refused to eat like the soups that I make because she does not like the taste of the oil. And my sweet mother had to send a big gallon of palm oil all the way from Uyo. God bless that woman. You say God bless grandma. Say God bless grandma. Say it now. Kiss me. For grandma. Alright, so let me just arrange all these things. I'm so excited for all of this because it does. I'm excited. Hi you guys, good morning. I woke up today with so much energy to do a lot of things. Actually, one of the things that I was supposed to do, I've already done some. One of the things that I was supposed to do was to bake cake today. But it turned out that the flour that I was so much anticipating is bad. I don't know if you guys can see some tiny things in it. I've actually had this for a while now, but I've not been using it. There's even maggots turned to butterfly. Like, I'll just pour this away and wash this bowl very well until I go to the market to get another flour. But for now, what I want to use to bake is my oat flour. Actually, before I decided to use the oat flour, I told myself, do you think it's something that is doable? I had to browse to be sure, and I realized that you can actually bake with oat. I mean, they make bread with wheat and the rest, you understand? So why not? You can bake cake with it. So that's what I want to do now. Should I just make bread? No, it's too small. I don't want to waste it because it's my swallow. I actually got this was to like buy normal quicker oats, and then I blended it into powder and poured this here. So this is my ever since I started my weight loss journey. So now I want to bake cake using oat flour. I don't know what it will look like. I don't know how it will turn out. I don't know what it tastes like, but it's going to be a chocolate cake anyways, and you guys are definitely going to see the results after now. So let's get busy basically. All right. I just hope it turns out nice. My fingers are crossed. I dey fear. I'm sweating for this little thing I did. Anyways, this is the aftermath, and it's not moist, and this didn't take up to 5 minutes to make. It's not moist. Maybe because it's not flour. You already know that oats is kind of sandy. I don't know how to say it. It's grainy. It's not smooth. Or maybe because I didn't add enough milk and butter. But this is okay for me. That is dieting, and I love the taste. You should try it. You like it? You like it? You like it? Say something now. Say something. Don't worry, the next one I'll make, I'll use flour, okay? Okay? Done and dusted. Not dusted, but I'm done. So I'm going back to that session. What is food that I told you guys I was coming. Let me catch a call to do that. I want to take time to do this for this dinner that